because you know this means war.
Now, Marlo! Marlo! Oh boy.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the
We're gonna do something crazy which I normally don't do. Give him everything in drag racing, the back tie, the kick and the clear.
the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up.
Dead president with a little more force, man. You know what I mean? Next time, you know. But we will try them again. We got a little converter issue, but we'll try them again.
That's what I like. Good sportsmanship,
we'll try them again. I mean, you know, Taps all Fred Wheatley and the Dead President crew, they stand-up guys. You know what I mean? And they came out and did what they were supposed to do. Give me a spanking on my birthday.
I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness.
We got what? Right lane?
We got left lane, he got right lane.
You with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. you're inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow